Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to start investing in the UAE stock market. So if you are looking to grow your money and generate passive income, stock market investments can be a great way to do it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First, we need to understand why we should invest in stocks. There are a lot of people who hesitate when it comes to investing in stocks because they think it is very complicated or risky. However, investing in stocks is one of the best ways to generate long-term wealth. There are two types of ways to earn money from stocks. The first method is the stock price appreciation. This means buying a stock at lower price and selling it at a high price. For example, if you buy 1000 shares at 1 dirham each and the price rises to 3 dirham per share, you will make a profit of 2000 dirhams without doing anything. The second way is the dividend income. There are some companies that pay out cash dividends to the shareholders. For example, if a company offers a dividend of 5 dirham per share and you own 1000 shares, you are going to receive 500 dirham per year as passive income. Now that you have understand how stocks generate income, in the next step we are going to learn how you can actually choose the right stock to invest. So I'm going to give you a strategy, a 4-step strategy that you can call it, which you can use to find the best and the right stock for you. So first thing is to check the market performance. So you need to use the platforms like TradingView or investing.com to view the stocks on Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, that is ADX, or the Dubai Financial Market, that is DFM. The second thing is that you need to look for the high dividend yields. You need to filter out the companies that actually offer high dividend payouts as they provide regular passive income. The third step is to analyze the company's performance. So if the company's stock price has been rising or falling consistently over time, a stable or growing stock is a good investment. Now, in the fourth step, you need to check the dividends history. You need to look at the company's dividend payout history. If a company has been increasing dividends every year, it is a strong investment option. So how you can basically start investing. So if you are wondering how to start investing in UAE stocks, you just have to simply follow these steps. First of all, you need to get a national investor number, that is the NIN number from Abu Dhabi Security Exchanges or Dubai Financial Market. In the second step, you need to register with the licensed broker to start buying and selling the stocks. And initially you can start small, so you don't need a big investment. You can start with 1000 to 2000 dirhams. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, before concluding this video, I would like to mention that everything that is said in this video is for educational purposes only, and this video is not a financial advice. And always do your own research and your due diligence before actually investing in any of the stocks or any of the markets. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.